make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends, girl. I know you want.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to another video. Today I decided to film this look. This is the final look. If y'all want to know how I got this, make sure to keep on watching, and y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe and comment what y'all would like to see next. And let's get on with the video. Hey y'all, excuse my voice. I'm a little sick, but anywho, today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this cut crease. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. First I started off by priming my eyelid with the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Tan, and then I just blended that, and yeah, yep. I do have tape on there just to make it a little more sharp or whatever, but the tape sucked, so it didn't work. Anywho, now I'm applying some of the Airspun powder just to set the concealer, and then I'm just pressing that over with the Morphe 441 brush, or M441. I'm gonna take that shade that is next to the to the yellow shade, and I'm going to just apply that all over the crease as a transition shade. Make sure that you blend it with a light hand just so you could get the best results, obviously. And then there's me taking a different brush like so. We're just gonna pack on that maroonish kind of shade that I'm showing y'all, and we're just gonna pack that below the transition shade, so like on the top of the lid. Then taking another brush, which I took the M532, I'm going to blend it all so that it doesn't look so harsh on the eye. And then taking the Tarte Shape Tape and this other brush, I'm going to be cutting the crease. I have really small eyes, so it just makes it like 10 times harder, but yeah, y'all can just see. Then taking another brush like so, I'm going to take the some of the Airspun powder and just set the concealer so that we can prepare, because I'm going to be using this other shade, which is that glittery one that I'm showing now, and taking it with my finger, I'm going to be applying it on top of the concealer, where we put the concealer, where we cut the crease. We're going to be putting it there. Taking this Real Techniques brush, I'm going to take both of the shades that we used, and then I'm going to apply that in the outer corner. Then you're going to just keep blending so the edges don't look so harsh. And then I took some of the Anastasia sun dipped highlight, and from there I just put that on the brow bone, and then we're done with the eyes. So I started off by priming my face with the Wet n Wild face primer, and I just focused that mainly on my T-zone and kind of on my forehead as well. By the way, like I said earlier, I'm sick, so don't mind my voice. Anywho, then I went ahead and started to dot all the foundation all over my face. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. Then I'm now using the Tarte Shape Tape, a little bit of it only, and then I'm applying that under my eyes so that I can conceal. And then I applied some of the Age Rewind concealer. Then I took some of the Airspun powder with my beauty blender and I put that under my eyes on top of the, or if you want, well, I mean, it's the same thing on top of the concealer, same thing. Then I took, I think that's from Wet n Wild, like a contour stick, I think it was, I don't know, but I put that to contour my face, obviously, and then I just blended that. And honestly, y'all, it, as y'all could tell, or I don't know if y'all can, but it was pretty easy blending it. I usually like struggle a lot, but this time it was kind of easy. And then I took this also Wet n Wild contour palette. That's in what's the I think it's in Toffin or something like that. I took that dark shade and I used that to contour, and then I took some of the Hoola bronzer to kind of bronze my face up a little bit. Then I'm cleaning that up once again with the Airspun powder. Then I went ahead and added some blush from this palette, contour and blush palette that I got from, I think it was like from Melrose. I don't know, but it's pretty old. But I just took some of that blush from there and I applied that, and then I'm now applying highlight. That's the e.l.f. highlight. I don't know. I think it's, I don't know what highlight it is, but it's from e.l.f. Then I'm just cleaning or wiping off or dusting off, however y'all want to say it, the Airspun powder. Then I'm blending it with a beauty blender to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And then I'm just applying some lipstick.